Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Boom, baby. Good morning. Buenos dias. Let's see. Let me put some music. All right, so we are reaching a resistance on the daily. Let's see how that looks in the 4 hour. Looks pretty good. The 1 hour. Unemployment just came out. Let's see what it came out as. Oh, no, it didn't. That's tomorrow. Is that tomorrow or was that yesterday? No, that's tomorrow. That's tomorrow. Thursday. Today is Wednesday. There's no news today except for existing home sales, but that's the orange folder. It won't be too crazy. Hold on a second. Let me add this to the Discord. Tell everybody. Okay, so today I'm trading on a personal MT5. I'm trading gold. I don't have my MT5 linked on the StreamYard yet, but small account build. So I'm really waiting for some type of closure below here. What I really want is this low broken. right? Because here, on this move yesterday, we had a high, we had a low. Well, let's go on the 15. So we had a high, low, oh my gosh. That's it. This fucking magnet. Low, high, low, high, making higher lows and lower lows. So this is the low, and we failed to break this low, right? We failed to break this low. We came up, made this high, but failed to break it and come below. But we broke this one. This is the high we broke right here. So this indicated our market structure shift here. So when we broke past here, broke structure, and then pushed up higher. Chadwick. What's up, Chadwick Beethoven? Can't see shit. Damn. Man, I can't see anything with that open. So, yeah, and here on the 15, we can see high, anyway, all right, so we see this high. How you doing, bro? Low, high, low, broke that high, and started pushing up, but then we failed to break, to seek this high and started pushing back lower. We haven't made a new low just yet. Low here, went down, up. So boom, 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 boom. And now we're just kind of figuring out exactly what we want to do. I would love to see lower. I would love to see this market structure shift so that we can go bearish. You caught a $90 scalp already today? Nice. Nice. You must be on your personal account then. Was it with gold? I won't be on here too long. I have some things I gotta take care of after 10 o'clock, so I'm on here pretty early today. What's up with you, my man? Not much, bro. Not much. My birthday is next week, so I'm just kind of prepping mentally for that. I'm gonna be the big 30, the big 3-0. 3-0. Weird. The older you get, the weirder age is. Aging is so weird. Like, it doesn't even make sense. On NQ, I'm not trading NQ anymore, bro. I'm not right now. I just haven't been really interested in NQ. It's way too spiky and volatile right now. It just sits in so much consolidation all the time. I just can't do it. And then a lot of times it moves so quickly, you don't even have a chance to even think about your entry or like where to fucking enter at or your stop loss. So I'm good. Yeah, bro. Tell me about it. 30 is crazy. My wife is only 27, so she has a couple more years. What's up, Rambo? Rambocito? Rambocito. That's why you're scalping it? Ugh. Yeah, no thanks. It's so stressful scalping NQ sometimes. What's RTY? I don't know what that is. Rambocito, you trade a lot of things that I don't trade, bro. I don't do all that. I just stick to one pair. One pair or one indice. That's just, it works better for me. Rambocito trades everything. He trades all of them. Everything. Todo, bro. Todo. Let me move this thing. Uh-huh. I kind of want to make my head a little smaller. How old are you, Chad? Chadwick? If you already know that 30-year-old realization, you must be over. Maybe I asked you already, but I don't remember. I do not remember. Maybe in the room. Oh, you fill mine out for me? I'm getting old too. You have a good day. So yeah, we're inside of this resistance level right here. This is the daily time zone or time frame, right? You see it up here, right up here. So really skeptical on continuing longs here. I would like to see us correct the move, but just like we did over here, right? We did this multiple times, actually. We did this multiple times, actually. We pumped up, and then we dropped. We pumped up, and then we dropped. We pumped up, and then we dropped. This is all-time highs right here. All-time highs is right here. So it would make sense for us to drop, right? It really would make a lot of fucking sense. So let's just see what happens. What day is this? This is Monday, June 16th. Let's look back at Monday, June 16th really quickly. What? This was not, hold on. This was Monday, June 16th? What? Okay, hold on. Why does this say? Oh, that's why. That's because it's on a Friday. I was like, why the fuck does it say June 16th? But then when I come over here, it says June 13th. But it starts at 15 because it was a Sunday. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. All right, so this is the last time that we pumped up and then dropped. So let's see some type of indication here on this day that we could look for our entry. So we're already inside of this range right now from our previous dump. I gotta see where, yeah, if we can close back below this zone here, we should be good to go. I think it'll be below here. Right below here. Yeah, so if we can break below this structure, I will target here first. Wow, that's a lot of pippities. But yeah, because if we do break below this structure, we do have enough clean range to the right side. I mean, to the left side, right down here. This is a, let me see this pip range. This is a, god damn, that's 284 pips. 284 pips. So yeah, if we can close past this structure right here, we should have enough to break this low and then continue pushing down, especially since we are in a level of resistance, a zone of resistance. Obviously, we are heavily bullish, but like I said, we're reaching this level of resistance here on the daily, so staying bullish is a little skeptical. If you want to stay bullish, I'd rather see us break this high and flip, or at least this high. And the reason is because we already broke this high. We already broke the lower high that we were creating coming down, because that's how the market moves, right? It's going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to go up. So we went down here, and then we came up, broke the high. I see, like that. Continue pushing up, but then we failed to continue up. So now if we create a new low, more than likely going bearish. More than likely going bearish. So here, we failed to continue higher. So now, if we start to create some new lower lows and lower highs, we are definitely going bearish. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's what I really want to see. I would like to see a closure below and then target this area. Probably target here first and then target lower. But if we look here on the 1 hour and the higher time frame, so much clean range, baby. This would be first TP. Well, this would be, I'd go break even after breaking this low, right? If we can pass through here. Nasdaq in a trading range, 100 points up to 150 points down is likely range today. Yeah, NAS has been trading in a range for a while, but I don't want to trade NAS anymore. It's becoming unpredictable with everything that's going on in the fucking world. It's becoming a little unpredictable because there's too many goddamn shareholders in the Nasdaq, and it's like strong shareholders, powerful shareholders. For example, Tesla, Microsoft. I'm good. I think I'd rather trade NQ once Trump is out of the fucking office. Like shit. It just hasn't been going too well with like the FEGs and everything. Because in Q, I was using FEGs, and a lot of times it just wasn't retracing. There's been so many times lately where NQ just doesn't retrace. It just continues pushing. It's like, fuck. So we're coming lower here. We're trying. Not really too fond of this background here. You. Damn. Yeah, I don't know where the stops. I don't know where stops are going to be just yet. I need a candle to break out first. I'm going to be using the stops of a breakout candle. I'm drinking coffee, so don't mind me if I end up with the coffee poopies. I might have to step away for a second. All right, so we're breaking these lows, guys. If we can close past here, that would be really phenomenal in the next 3 minutes. In the next 3 minutes. If not, then we'll have to wait for a 15-minute don't necessarily have to wait for a closure, but because at 9:30 9:30 could be our volume to push us down. So if it's looking good, I will just enter on an impulse. So for an impulse entry to push lower. All right, guys. So tomorrow is the last day for my special something that I'm doing on my giveaway. I mean, on my Discord. Whoops, I just gave away what I was doing. But you have to be in the Discord to even know what it is. I am not able to say it on here just for advertisement purposes. But yeah, if you join the Discord, you'll be able to see what's happening with the giveaway for tomorrow. Oh, I keep saying it, but yeah, it's going to be tomorrow. But yeah, there's the Discord link. If you want to join, you still have time to enter into what I'm doing. I'm trying so hard to keep it low key with my word choices, but it keeps popping out. It just keeps slipping. So yeah, hoping for 9:30 to come in, or at least 9:15 to come in and close past there, so that we can enter, because I will get into shorts at that point. Let's see here. From here to here, that's already like 33 pips. So, all right. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I think I'm going to impulsively enter here. But we don't have a bottom wick on the 4-hour or the 1 hour. Holy shit. Maybe, we'll see. But there's no bottom wick. That's, but we did pretty much close pretty strong here. All right, I'm going to jump in here, guys. I'm jumping into shorts here. $3317. Where's my entry? 331715. Got in a little later than I wanted to, but that's okay. I'm going to have stops up here for now until we break the slow. Sorry, you guys can't see my entries, but I'm in some shorts here. I'm going to close some here at 3,412. Nice. Nice. We are breaking this low, guys. This looks pretty good. This looks pretty fucking good. $10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. I'm going to add one more here with this break. Since we just broke that low, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Once we break this low, I will bring my stops here. And then once we close below, I'll go break even. All right, so we're breaking really strong here. Okay, I'm bringing my stops down. Okay, hold on. Let me modify a couple more positions here. Nice. Nice. TP1 right here. I think I have mine at 3412.5 though. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close some of them because this is a small challenge. So let me close some here. All right, nice. Close a little bit, but still expecting this to get hit for sure. So I'll probably get back in again here, but I want to wait for this. Nice closure there. Really nice closure. See, I think it would be safe to say that we are mirroring these patterns to the left. So you could see a lot lower here, like a lot lower. I only have some 0.01s in here, but beautiful. Really, really beautiful. So if this, once this 15 closes, we could see a little retest of this low. Right, we could see a little retest of the low to go lower. And if we do see this retest, this will be another area to enter at. Wow, up 50 pips, guys. 50 pips. 53 pips right now. 53 pips from entry. I kind of want to close this one. Okay. Man, I'm up 20% already on my... Is that 20%? Yeah. I just fucking loaded this shit up yesterday. I'm already up 20 bucks from 500. No, you thought gold was going to carry on? No, bro. Sometimes, Sanj, you got to ask yourself, gold has been pushing up or pushing down for so long. So you're going to have to ask yourself, when will gold finally start to correct its move? And then you'll go into the charts on the higher time frame. You'll see where gold is trying to go, right? It's kind of, you can just kind of see it. I don't know, it might just be me, but you can just kind of see where it's going on the higher time frame and seeing where it's trying to reverse from, right? And correct its move. So you weren't here earlier, but here on the daily time frame, you can see that if you look left, each time we came up into this zone, what did we do? We pumped up and then we dropped down. We pumped up, we dropped down. This happened 1, 2, 3 times. Now this is the fourth time it's looking like it might happen. And if it happens the fourth time, what's stopping us from dropping all the way down here, right? What is stopping us from coming all the way down? Or pushing into all-time highs? The day is not over. We still have 7 hours left. But with the way that market structure is forming right now, we broke this low pretty strong, and we're still continuing to push lower. So if we can close past here, this will be another indication for us to continue lower. But we are already looking like we want to close past this low that we created. So we already created our market structure SIF after breaking this low. And the rest is history, baby. The rest is fucking history. See, guys, I have a $500 personal account that I loaded up literally yesterday for a little challenge for myself, because I'm kind of tired of prop firms. I'm not going to lie. I really hate the fact that I make money so much on prop firms, but I can't withdraw same day. You used to be able to do that with Forex prop firms, not with futures though. Oh, that shit scared the hell out of me. You can't do that with futures. I hate that you can't withdraw same day. I fucking hate that shit. Like, why do I have to make a profit target before I can withdraw money? It's my account. I pass a challenge. Why do I have to continuously make a profit target before I withdraw money? Like, I hate that shit. I liked trading futures. Forex props way more for that reason. Like, I don't really understand why futures has that stupid ass rule versus Forex. But what do I know? What the fuck do I know? I don't know anything. So yeah, I loaded this shit up yesterday. Today we already made $11.86 on the $500 account. So that's already fucking a lot, guys. It's a lot. Not 10%. $2%. A little over 2%. Made a little over 2%. It might not sound a lot, but when you start looking at your account balance in terms of percentage versus balance, it gets a little easier. Yeah, I missed the start of the stream, but if it's falling, I'm here for it. Hell yeah, bro. It's still going. Don't worry. You'll get your entry. Just wait for this 15-minute closure. Wait for a pullback. And then enter on a wick entry. We should get a small little pullback to this to this low. It looks like the 5-minute is already trying to retest it, but if this 15 can close, we should be good for a small pullback for the low to continue lower. But we have to make sure this 15 closes below here. So I'm still in one position, my little $2. That position is in at 3417.16. This is for Forex. See? I don't know if you guys can see that shit, but oh my God, this confuses me. Yeah. So this is just today, 2% on the day. 2% on the day. Yesterday was 1%. Today is 2%. But yeah, I'm gonna go break even here. Because we could come up a little bit higher to this area or to this level that we broke out from, or yeah, the level that we broke out from. So if we do, I could get some better entries. But yeah, I'm gonna go break even for that. For that last trailing entry. Since I already made my little 2% on the day, guys, I will be finishing up here soon. Oh, my BE got hit. BE got hit, baby. I got 14 cents out of that. Yeah, so BE got hit here for me. That was nice though. That was good. Hold on, let me take a little screeny shotty of this. But my actual entry, my highest entry was at 418.17. Excuse me. So we hit first TP. That was good. Good trade, though. Good trade, baby. Good trade, baby. Good trade. So we got our 930 coming in. All right, guys. Oh, I think I'm going to enter again, guys. I'm going to enter again. Let's see. From here, 316. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That shit is moving, baby. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm going to have my first TP at the break of this new low. Literally, same TP that I just closed at. Same fucking TP. And then I'll only have one running. I only put in 2 this time since I already made 2% within that short period of time. Okay. Come on, break the low, baby. Break the fucking low. Damn, interwe BS. Fuck is that? Oh, internet. Internet. I was like, what the fuck is interwe? Let's go. I'm gonna go break even. Just to manage my risk. And because we are also on a pretty big uptrend. So I just want to make sure that it's not no fake out or anything. Okay. So I'm gonna go break even, and I closed one already. Longs, Perry, where are you? Woo. Let's see here. Oh damn! Actually, I put that money into my account yesterday. I thought it was 2 days ago. It was yesterday, and I'm already up 2%. We could see maybe a possible pullback from here, guys. But I don't know yet. I would. It's literally telling me we want to break this low and go lower, even lower to here, maybe to here. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, so I'm break even. So I think it's gonna hit my break even. Yeah, just hit my break even. All right, so I'm done on the day for that too, guys. I'm done on the day. I made 2%. 2%. Oh, what's up, Tony? I was wondering where you at, bro. Yo, I've been using CoinX since yesterday, bro. I've been using CoinX since yesterday. I was like, all right. Let me give them a try because somebody else told me to use them too, and I was like, all right, Tony uses them. This guy's telling me they're good for it. All right, I'll try him out. So I put in $500, bro, and I'm up 2%. Whoa. Damn, I fucking hit break even and then it's fine. It's just because we're on such a heavy uptrend. But now we're pushing lower, so it looks pretty good, actually. Looks pretty motherfucking good. I really just want to leave one in here. Maybe we can wait for this 30 to close. Oh my god! Guys. Sometimes going break even, it just fucks it up. It fucks it up sometimes. But it's just, I have my small account, so I'm trying to gain my profits on my small account as much as possible and secure my profits and manage my risks. Goddamn landscapers, they are so loud, bro. Fucking loud. Hold on. I'm still expecting some type of flip, right? I'm still expecting to go long, but out of here, this level right here. If we can come down to this level and have a nice rejection, and then, start forming higher highs and higher lows, then we could get in for longs. Or if we come down here and close past this zone pretty strong, maybe we'll continue lower into here. Ugh. Yeah, guys, join the Discord again. Tomorrow is the last day for the special something that I'm doing in the Discord. So make sure you watch, join. Huh. Yo. Yeah, did you guys get in there? I told you I wasn't getting in because I'm done on the day. I am done on the day. 2% is enough for me, guys. I can't be mad at that. When a candle breaks a range, I always look for a retest. With this one, a retest was done within a 1 minute candle. I'm just not confident with impulse entries. Did get a short on EU? Well, that's because you're using the 1 minute time frame. That's why you're not so confident on the impulse entries, because you're using the 1 minute time frame. If you're using a higher time frame, you can still enter on a higher time frame pullback, because you can see that it came back up here. This is what, the 30 minute? It did come back up here. So the reason, if it came back up here, it's more than likely you're going to see that on the 1 minute time frame too. So if you're going to be a little more confident about it, if you could just have like the 30 minute time frame next to the 1 minute time frame, if you want to use the 1 minute, just make sure it aligns together, right? Just make sure it aligns with the candle, the higher time frame candle, and then you should be good. You should be good to go. But damn, my entry was all the way up here, guys. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? It's 130 pips. 130 pips. Beautiful, though. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So if you want to take longs, it's probably best to wait for some support to be formed on the higher time frame, at least the 30 minute, because this 1 hour and this 4 hour are extremely bearish right now on the candles. Extremely bearish on the candles. So probably come to this little level here, this low, let's get taken out, and then that's it. We might see some reversal happening very, very soon. Yeah. I use the hourly for levels. I try and see a pullback on 1 minute after. Oh, okay, that's why. That's why, bro. That's where you're messing up at. If you're using the hourly time frame to mark up your levels, you don't need to be going to the 1 minute time frame. The lowest you should be going is 15 minutes. If you want to use the 1 minute time frame, you need to be marking up on like the 15 or the 5 minute and then dropping down to the 1 minute, not the 1 hour. Higher time frame is you shouldn't be dropping down that low. That's probably a reason why. But I mean, you don't have to listen to me. It's whatever really works for you. But if you want to try that out, you know, just trial and error, honestly. Yeah, see how fucking low this is? Yeah, 1 hour, 1 minute, just that doesn't go together. Yeah, too much differences. You're right. $2% on a day, baby. So I'm getting off. You could use 1 hour for a general trend idea. Yeah, you can use the higher time frame for just like the general trend idea, direction, looking for the direction, and then dropping down, marking up your levels. If you want to use the 1 minute time frame, then honestly, you need to be targeting 1 minute TPs. Okay, if you're going to be entering on the 1 minute, you need to target 1 minute TPs. So like this here, you can literally obviously see that this 1 minute time frame is pushing down, right? We're creating a trend, right? I don't really need these levels anymore. We're creating a trend on the 1 minute if we want to look at it. Here, let me do this. Let me do this because I don't need these drawings. I can just mark it up again. Let me do this. So this is the 15 minute. And then this is the 5, right? So obviously this 1 minute is already starting to try to flip for us. It's already looking like it's trying to flip. So if you come down to the 1 minute, this is the 1 minute. If we were to break this, create some highs and lows, you know, we came down. This magnet sometimes is so annoying. Came down. Broke that, came down. And now we failed to make a new low, right? So now we're coming back up. We just broke this low. So now maybe we're going to start pushing back up again. Okay. But sometimes you don't even need to really mark up on the time frames for the 1 minute. I know a lot of people that literally just mark up on the 1 minute. They mark up on the 1 minute. I do know somebody that does mark up on the 1 hour and does enter on the 1 minute, but he only looks at the 1 minute. That's it. He doesn't look at the 1 hour anymore. He waits for his confirmation on the 1 hour and then he drops down to the 1 minute and then that's it. It's all over. It's all over. But you really have to be able to know how to navigate through the candle. But yeah, it's looking like it wants to reverse here, guys. It didn't break this low. It failed to seek this low. So maybe we go up now. Yeah, he looks for, but he only trades during times of volume. So he marks up his candle on the 1 hour, and then all he does is wait for a closure above like the next hourly or below, like right here. This would have been perfect. So, and then he drops down to the 1 minute, and then he looks for the wick entry. He has wick entries. So let's mark up this wick right here. So the wick here is right here. We closed past here on the 1. This is the last 1 hour, the last minute of the hourly candle right here, this one. So we barely closed past it, and then we made a top wick for the next hourly to drop down. So sometimes his strategy is a little easy to read, because I get it. I get why he's doing what he's doing, but it takes a lot of practice for his strategy. So I don't do that. No, thank you. It's a little stressful on the 1 minute for me, guys. I don't really like trading on the 1 minute. It's too much noise. I might drop down to the 5 sometimes to really more so look at price action. I won't really enter on the 5. I'll look at it for price action. So we closed bullish on the 15, which is actually really good. Could literally take an entry to go higher, literally. But the 1 hour and the 4 hour aren't really matching up for me. So the 30 and the 15 are matching, but it's not good enough for me. Ah, I see. That's why he says that. So I have a friend here who's long right now, Mr. Perry the Platypus, and he's thinking that we go all the way up to 3457. So he's thinking that we break this high and go higher. Oops. I use the 1 hour levels for range breaks. When this candle broke the hourly range, I look at the 1 minute to see if I get a pullback, but the pullback on this was so small. Oh, you use the same thing as he does then. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't matter how small the pullback is. You have to make sure. You have to see where it closed past, right? If it closed past a level of structure, the pullback might not be that large. And then you also have to notice that the 1 hour closed with no bottom wick, right? No bottom wick. So usually when the 1 hour when a candle closes with no bottom wick, there's more of a chance for it to go in your direction, which means there's no rejection from below that we're just going to shoot down. And that's exactly what happened. We made a really tiny wick, and then we just shot down. So this also could indicate that we're just shooting down to grab liquidity so that we can pump back up, because we don't have a bottom wick. So it's always kind of like a game of probability when there's no wick. It's like a 50% chance it's going to go in your favor, but a 50% chance it's going to reverse. But I've come to notice that when there is no bottom wick, it's a higher likely chance that it is going to go in your favor, depending on the time of volume and just how the candle closed, really. Like if it's like a really small, tiny candle that closed with no wick, no, don't really look at that. You need to pay attention to like the size of the candle too. Like this one closed with no bottom wick, but it's kind of small, right? This one closed with no bottom wick, but it's large, and it closed past 2 areas of support. Actually 3. This one, and this one. So you're still refining. That's okay, bro. That's all right, brother. Same. We're all refining. We have to continuously adapt and refine because these fucking market conditions are going to just continue to change, right? And all we have to do is just adapt ourselves. But you're doing good, bro. I like your strategy. Keep that shit up, lock down, G. Lock that shit down. So that wick up was just so quick. Sometimes you got to take the risk, bro. Sometimes you just got to press the fucking button. You knew where your stop loss was going to be, right? But I mean, if it didn't, you didn't take the trade because it didn't go with your rules. You wanted a wick, and that's completely fine. That is completely fine, bro. You still won because you followed your rules. But if you want to refine and start looking at maybe back testing, looking at candles with no wicks and stuff like that, maybe that'll help you a little bit more. I've just had a bit of experience with the no wicks. I'll also trade EU. Do you think it's important to look at DXY for confluence? I mean, not really. You don't have to. I know a lot of people that don't look at that shit. Like Rajah Banks, he does not look at that. He does not look at that. He even says it in his videos sometimes. He's like, I don't need that shit. So I don't need to look at that. Because sometimes for me, when you start looking at things like that and looking at it as a confluence, it might fuck with your psychology, right? It might really start fucking with your psychology. If you see that DXY is going up, oh, you're going to say, oh, okay, gold has to go down. But sometimes they move in the same direction. So I just feel like for me and my own psychology, I want to look at one thing and one thing only. I don't need no confluence of another pair. All I need is my strategy, support resistance, volume, highs and lows, and that's it. That's it. I don't need that shit. It's confusing. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and get off because we're starting to consolidate here. And yeah. So we're going to go ahead and play some Wordle. Let's play some Wordle. Let's go. Good morning, brother. Man, spitting facts. Love it. What's up? Yo, guys. I have, one of my first students, guys. One of my first students. Ace. Lilau. That's my first student, guys. That's my guy right here. Let's give him a round of applause. Let's give him a round of applause. And yeah, let's play. Let's play. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. All right. So one more time, guys. I'm doing a special something inside of my Discord, and the special something ends tomorrow. The date for it ends tomorrow. If you do want to join into the special something to have a chance at winning a special something, join the Discord and follow the rules. That's pretty simple. As simple as that. We'll have 3 winners. 3 winners will be chosen. 3 fucking winners. All right, guys. So trade stock. Let's find out what the fuck this word is. Eater. Oh, wow. Wow, that was luck. Is it hater? We got too many haters out here. Too many haters. Is it batter? Matter? Patter? ladder, water. Oh, water. I say water. It's just water. Okay, that was really fucking easy. That was too easy. They made that way too easy. Oh my God. There's a lot of words with this in the ATER. Anyway. Alrighty, guys. 3 watching and enjoy awesome market hunts with Kayden. Yes, please hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button on my YouTube, on Trading Nuts YouTube. Right now, you guys can't see all of the viewers on the channel, but the most we had today was about 50 people spread out between Trading Nuts YouTube, Trading Nuts Twitter, my YouTube, and his Twitch account. So most of the viewers come from Twitter, I've noticed, which kind of sucks because I can't see what you guys are saying in the comments, if you guys are even commenting. So I hate that, but oh well. Yeah, here is also my YouTube, guys. If you guys are interested in following my YouTube, I post videos of the strat of today, all the lives. But yeah, you guys stay safe out there. I'll see you tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early. I wasn't on yesterday, so I will be on today, bright and early. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, take care. Make sure you guys are using stop loss if you are still trading. Bye. And now.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from 1 lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.